Now here we're showing an example of how to remove decking. Say for instance you want to replace a board on your deck. This is the Counterbore Bit. This exposes the head of the nail so you can pull it out. First we started at slow speed, then go at the high speed. That carves around the head of the nail. Then you simply remove the inner core so you can get a bite on the nail with a nail puller. Extend the nail puller down below the surface of the deck. Put it in reverse. Out it comes. That's all there is to it. Now here we're going to show the power of the cordless drill nail puller, and I'm going to embed this 3-inch screw just about all the way into this 2x4. Now naturally you want to pull out your screws with a cordless drill and a Phillips bit, but if you strip the head, then you can use the cordless drill nail puller to rip them out. That's a screw. Now here we want to demonstrate the power of the cordless drill nail puller. This is a screw. Now naturally you want to pull out your screws with a screwdriver, but if you strip the head, you can rip them out with the cordless drill nail puller. Huh? What do you know? That's a screw.